Can you solve this? Most can't. 2 to the power of 0 is equal to 0, right? So 0 minus 3 and 5 minus 2 equals 3. Now 0 minus 3 equals minus 3 and 3. Now here is hidden multiply. So minus 3 times 3 equals minus 9. But this is wrong. Why? Because 2 to the power of 0 is equal to 1, not 0. So 0 to the power of 0 is equal to 1, right? So here is 1 and minus 3 and 5 minus 2. Now inside the parentheses, so 1 minus 3 and 5 minus 2 equals 3. Now here is hidden multiply, so 3 times 3 equals 9 minus 1. Now 1 minus 9 equals minus 8.